In this video, I'll show you how to find popular items to dropship on eBay. What you want to do is you want to go into the advanced section here on eBay, and you want to search by seller, and enter in a seller name. These are all drop shippers that I researched earlier. And click on show completed listings in the last 15 days. Click on search, and you want to go through the list. All the green items, ended listings, are the ones that's been sold. So you want to go ahead and scroll down and kind of click on, we'll click on this right here. So this item's been sold 3 times. For 106, 101, 95. What we want to do is we want to copy the title of this listing, and we can search Amazon. Maybe it's an Amazon product. And then we could go and search. Here it is. I think that's it right there. Night lines. Is that the same one? It could be the same listing there. Yeah, it's a Night Lines Tech Outdoor 2.4G 4-channel 6 access. Go back to Amazon. Here it is. 2.4G 4-channel 6 access. This seller is buying it for $79.99. So, from Amazon it's $79.99. So what you want to do is come to this calculator, eBay fees calculator, and type in 79.99. That's how much you're buying the item. And you're gonna resell it for 96, around this price. You want to reprice it at something like this, 96 or whatever. You can sort of play with the numbers. So let's see how much profit that is. 96 point. Let's do 16, and profit margin's $4, or what category this is, depending on what category it is. It's toys, so yeah, other. So $4 is the profit margin, but don't forget to add in taxes with that. So it might be even lower. Your profit margin might be even lower. So you want to price this higher, like 101 or something. Then your profit margins will be higher. So this is how you basically drop ship on eBay. Trying to find the profitable items, or the popular items, I should say. Here, it's sold 3 times. You want to look for something that's been sold 4 times in the last 30 days. You want to only list those items. Then you'll get consistent sales throughout. So that's it.